Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well. I have a challenge lock here. This is from the lock picking newbie, and it may be his first challenge lock. Sitting on a Schlage SC1 5-pin. I think it's an SC1. Looks like a dream. No time to waste. Let's see what my friend has got in store for me today. I think I'm gonna go counterclockwise. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's a click out of 2, click out of 1. Nope, that was 2, 3 and 2, sorry. Let me just double check. Okay, that was 4. That was 5. I'm just gonna come up to the top here for a second, so I make sure I'm focused in. Okay, 1, 2. Counter rotation there on 4. Just have to let off a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Okay, binder. Trying to counter rotation from the bottom here is weird. Okay. I wonder if he snuck an extra pin in here. 3. There we go. There's the open, guys. Challenge lock from Lock Picking Newbie. Just gonna keep that there. I got this for you. I'm just gonna lock it up. And we do have a key. Just gonna take this tailpiece off. Nice looking mortise, looks brand new. It only has a 5-pin capability on this one anyway. Pop that off. Okay guys, we'll put our key in. As always, just going to slide the shim through the back. There's enough disasters on this channel. We don't need ones that we can technically avoid. So you guys can see it's 5-pin. Everything had to be picked. Nothing done to the standard in one. Custom work on two. It's just a standard pin that's been serrated nicely into like a bullet shape. Tapered key pin on 3. 4 has also been worked, and 5 has also been worked with serration. I don't see anything done there. Let's see what he's got upstairs. I'm referring to the lock. N1 has been worked. I'll let you guys see it, and of course provide photo for you. Photos will always follow at the end, guys. The springs look like they're the same. Awesome pin work by lock picking newbie there. I was just about to say, do not pinch that spring too tightly. It has left the building. I will locate that spring. Just give me a second here. I think I have just for the purpose of the video. Spring there. So yep, so all the key pins have been worked nicely except standard key pin in 1. Number 3 is beveled. I'll show you guys there. Nice work all around. Lockpicking newbie. He's definitely not a newbie. Gotta watch some of these names. Great picker. Take a look at that key. Got a 0 cut there on pin number 3. So that's it today for a challenge lock by our good friend, the lock picking newbie. Give him some support, guys. If you don't know who he is, get over to the channel and do what we do. Show him some support. That's it for today for challenge lock number 1 from Lock Picking Newbie. Thanks, guys. We'll see you at the next one. Take care.